And sure, I got a pink. It's Talmandi. And I got shaving cream and sopa. And I got it glue. Now we're gonna first get a glue. Oh, my hands are open. And sure is really good. Yes. Now we finished, and then sure we need some. And sure, he really got, no, and it's sure. I just, no, and we are going to shaving cream. And now, I'm going to put it. Now we get it. Woohoo! Get a shaving cream! Shake, 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 shake. Finish, and now I'm mixing. And I get a serving. Our serving, now I'm gonna put a pink, color pink. Oh my god, guys, you can't believe what I did. I did it like a beach, like a house. I did like a house, like a yoni. I just thought like awesome. Okay, now we're serving. Now we're serving with a cheese block. Really gonna be a slime like this. I don't know it's gonna be this. Let's see it. And then we get serving. Wow! You definitely see this? This is what he did it! You bro, he saw this? Kids, you building it and calling families, do your slime, and his life is described in me. Okay, and we just did a slime, it's so awesome. Oh, you did a bubble. I'm a zombie. Bye-bye! Huh? Like and subscribe? Like and subscribe to great, and I just did a slime.